Hello everyone, welcome to the 21st session of Business Statistics. In this session we'll be discussing about one more illustration which is related to the calculation of probable value of x and y based on the regression equations. From the following data of rainfall and production of rice, write out the regression lines and then find out most likely rainfall corresponding to the rice production of 80 quintal and most likely production of rice corresponding to the rainfall of 40 centimeter. So let us assume the rainfall in centimeter as x variable and rice production as y variable. You are given the arithmetic mean of rainfall and rice production and also the standard deviation of both values and the correlation coefficient of the rainfall and the rice production. So based on this formula, when we substitute the values into the regression equations, that is x on y and y on x. X minus x bar is equal to r into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y into y minus y bar. So when we substitute the values into x on y equation, that will be x minus 35 is equal to 0.80 into 5 by 8 into y minus 50. X minus 35 is equal to 4 by 8 into y minus 50. X minus 35 is again equal to 0.5, that is 8 by 4, 4 by 8 will be 0.5 multiplied by y minus 50. So x minus 35 will be 0.5 into y, that is 0.5y, and again 0.5 into minus 50, that is minus 25. And now the minus 35 in the left hand side will come to the right hand side of the equation, and the final equation will be x is equal to 0.5y plus 10. ಈಗ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಿಗೆ ರೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ರೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 80 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 80 into the x on y equation, then the rainfall, that is x value, will be 50 centimeters. So when the rainfall is about 50 centimeters, we can say that the rice production will be 80 quintals. Okay, so on the other hand, the y on x equation, that is y minus y bar is equal to r into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x multiplied by x minus x bar. When we substitute the values into this equation and calculate, the final equation will be y is equal to 1.28x plus 5.20. So the calculation is as same as the previous sessions or the previous illustration that I have already discussed. Okay, so now when x is equal to 40, you should calculate the value of rice production. That is, when the rainfall is 40 centimeters, you should calculate the probable rice production that could be produced. Okay, so when we substitute the value, that is 40, into the y on x equation, then the answer that we get is y is equal to 56.40. So we can say that when the rainfall is 40 centimeters, then the production of rice could be 56.40 quintals. So this is the analysis part. Okay, I hope you understood the equations of x on y and y on x, and also the probable values of both x and y. Thank you.